Yeah, your boom boom release my stress. Bounce by my dick.
Yeah, I like my eggs burnt. Like, y'all see the brown? I want it to be brown. I want no yolky eggs, like, for real. Yeah, so as I was making my breakfast, I got a package. I'm gonna open it. I already know what this is, and I'm dumb excited. Like, I was done not gonna leave the house until I got this, because I'm gonna need it for today. So, I have a little blade. I'm gonna open it. They got this shit. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. It's that stuff where you have the tab thing. So it's not that hard to open. Ooh, y'all. When I say I've been feeding for this, I was gonna wait for Christmas, but I'm like, nah, I need it. Ooh, hold on. You know, yeah. No, let me stop. But I dead wanted this for like a little minute. When it first came out, I'm like, nah, these are dumb ugly. But when I see people with them like around, I'm like, nah, these give. Like, I already have the space gray foam, so I was like, I'm gonna get the space gray. I like the blue color they had, but like, I just wanted to match, y'all know. So I haven't got a new Apple product in a little minute. No, I'm lying. I got this phone last year. Not even last year. I got this phone like the beginning of this year. So, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Like, this box is dumb big. Like, it's given what's that called? MacBook unboxing. Yeah, let's bring it down a bit. Ooh. Y'all, these are so sleek and nice. Like, I know y'all see them. Like, they feel so good. I love how new things smell. I'm gonna take all this crap off. I dead don't know how none of this works. Ooh, I feel like
6.5 hours later.
okay. This part, I guess this is like the little case that comes with it. Yeah, it's a little case. This is so cute, y'all. Oh my god. Like, I really have not, I don't know anybody that has these. Like, my close friends. But like, I've never seen them in person. Like, I never touched them. Like, I think I know one person that has these, but like, I actually have never touched them. And look, y'all. Ooh, okay now. But I've like actually never seen them like actually in person, like to touch and feel. So this like little case it comes with, real sleek. Oop, I'm just throwing it. And then these are the headphones. Comes with these little protective things. And y'all, alrighty, I'm gonna connect it to my phone and show y'all them. Alright, personalized.
So I went to Crumbl Cookies today. I was online for about an hour. Review coming soon on my YouTube channel.
Alright, y'all, so this is the taste test of the Crumbl cookies. I got pink sugar. I got the strawberry cake, I believe it's called. I got the regular milk chocolate chip or whatever. And then the last one I got was the pumpkin chocolate something. So I'm gonna try the pink sugar first, because this is the one everyone be talking about is nasty. But they got a new recipe or whatever. These cookies are mad heavy. Like, I was on the train with these cookies. Like, this shit is hurting my arm. Like, I really didn't know they were so heavy. I'm gonna cut them because they're dumb big and dumb thick. But I'm gonna try the pink sugar first. This is the piece I'm getting, and This is good. Alright. Everybody says it's nasty, but it's good. Like, it has like a almond type of flavor. Like, it reminds me of like a Caribbean like tart. Like, have you ever had a tart before? Or like the coconut? And so that's what it reminds me of. It's really good. I'll give that like a 8 out of 10. I'm gonna try the chocolate chip next because that's just basic. And I'm pretty sure it tastes good, so I'm gonna cut a little piece of that. I feel like I'm eating these cookies for like 3 days because they're dark. Like, you cannot eat. Oh, my shit is swollen. But you cannot eat like these cookies in one sitting. Like, I'm sorry, y'all, but that's good. Like, it's a regular cookie, so I'll give it like an 8.5 out of 10. But I like how soft these cookies are. Like, it took me like an hour and something to change to get home, and it's still pretty soft. It's not like hard, so I like that. I think I'm gonna save the strawberry one for last because I'm really excited about that one. So I'm gonna try the pumpkin one now. It's pumpkin chocolate or whatever. I only got 4 because I didn't like the other 2 flavors they had. Like, I don't really like chocolate like that. The other flavor I'm gonna show y'all just now, but this is the pumpkin chocolate something. Oh no. It's not bad, but like, the pumpkin flavor is throwing me off. Like, I love pumpkin stuff. Like, I'm always here for a pumpkin spice latte, but this is giving like fake pumpkin. Like, you know those candies that's grape but it don't taste like grape? Like, this is like pumpkin but it don't taste like pumpkin type, and it's like toffee-ish pumpkin. Like, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the icing. I'm gonna eat it though. I'll give it like a I don't like the aftertaste. I'm gonna do like a 6.5 or a 7. Yeah, I don't like that. Let me see what the actual name of that one is. Yeah, no. That is called the chocolate pumpkin cheesecake. And I don't like them. Another one I just ate was the classic pink sugar. They make this like every week, to be honest. The next one I'm gonna try is the strawberry cake. I'm excited about that one. I don't like this. This got like white chocolate carvings on top, so I know those was good because at Cheesecake Factory they put that on their rubber cheesecake. Oh, this looks good. It has like little pieces of strawberry in there. No.
It's a no for me, though.
I don't know what this tastes like. I'm sorry, I'm never this dramatic, but I did not think it was gonna taste like that. Hold on. And that's the one I was most excited for, and I'm gonna finish it because I don't waste, but I'm gonna give this like a 4.5. I'm trying to see if it's gonna get better, but I don't think so. I don't like the strawberry. Like, it's again the same like fake type of strawberry taste, like artificial strawberry. I'm not a big fan of that. I like the white shavings on top. I do like the white shavings on top, but the strawberry filling on top is not good. But the other two flavors they had this week was these two. It's the cookie butter white chip, and I knew I wouldn't like that because I don't like that cookie on top. And then there was a Buckeye brownie, and I don't like all that chocolate stuff, so I didn't even try to get that. But I'll rate crumbl cookie, like, in general, I would say like a 7 out of 10. It wasn't bad. Like, the wait, it was like almost like an hour, and when I got my cookies, like I ordered, I got it right away. So I would say like the experience, an 8 out of 10. Like, I'm happy I tried it. I might try it when they have other cookies. I'm gonna keep up with the weeks, but I think my favorite was the pink sugar, which is weird because everyone hates the pink sugar. I don't know if it's because it's an updated recipe, but I like that one. And I'll say my second favorite, probably the chocolate chip. The other two were alright. So yeah. Hey y'all, so today is November 18th. It's 2:30 right now, and it's Friday. Basically I just did my hair and my makeup. I'm about to go to the mall. I did the little TikTok updo look that all the girls is doing, and I'm feeling it a little bit. I don't know if I really like how big it's looking because my head is so small. Well, I think my head is small. And I feel like the hair, big hair, is like a little bit too much, but I kind of like it. It's something for me to get used to because I really don't do much of my hair. Usually I get a middle part or a side part and call it a day. So this is a little something new. This wig was originally customized by my favorite hairstylist. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. But this is my 3rd time or 4th time wearing this wig actually. And I just reinstalled it and I did the look. I used this girl's Instagram video or TikTok video. So I used this girl TikTok video. Her name is The Shade The Doll, and y'all can really look at this video and see how to do this look yourself, because I'm not good at tutorials for hair, especially because I just started doing hair, like not doing hair but doing my own hair, like for real. So I think for my first try it looks pretty good, and I love this wig. I think this wig is from Astoria Hair. If I'm not mistaken, I'll put it, but if it's from Astoria Hair, yeah, I wouldn't put it. But yeah, I'm about to go to the mall to pick up a quick Thanksgiving fit because my family's doing a brown and orange theme. I think I'm gonna wear brown. I was gonna order something, but like I'm so last minute, I'll be forgetting to do things. So I'm gonna go head to the mall and see what they got there. Hope they have something. I'm gonna go to Zara, probably Forever 21, even though I really hate that store, but I'm gonna go to Zara and see what they got. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so I know lighting in my kitchen is terrible, but I make some coffee. I usually go to Dunkin' Donuts, but I really buy the Keurig cups all the time, and I don't use them, so I'm gonna just do that today because sometimes the coffee at Dunkin' really don't be hitting, y'all. Like, sometimes the coffee at Dunkin' really don't hit. So this hits to me. So this is from Target. It's the pumpkin spice. It's the pumpkin spice K-Cups from the Target brand, Good and Gather. And Dunkin' Donuts don't have no pumpkin spice no more because the lady was like, oh, it's not fall anymore, it's winter. When it's definitely still fall, but I'm not arguing with nobody. So I'm using the pumpkin spice one from the Target brand, as I have my regular cup from Target. And I have to use a mug because my Keurig machine cannot fit anything but a mug. So that's that. I'm gonna get a water bottle to put the water in the top. I did filled it way too much, but that's fine. And then I'm gonna put my cup, and we're gonna brew that real quick, y'all. Do y'all like hot coffee or do y'all like hot iced coffee? I feel like a lot of people like my age do not drink hot coffee. Like, I feel like that's just a fake coffee drinker. Like, I feel like if you don't like hot coffee, you don't really like coffee, because a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like the taste of hot coffee, it don't taste good, it's not sweet enough. But I'm just like, coffee is not made to taste good. It's really made to basically give you energy, and that's what I drink coffee for. Not for the taste. I drink coffee, well, I do like the taste of coffee in general, but I don't drink it because it tastes good. I drink it because I literally need it to live. Like, I'm addicted to coffee. But yeah, y'all can't see me good, but I'm just gonna make this coffee, pour it in my cup, and head out the door. Alright, y'all, so I just came back from the mall. I didn't get anything. Zara was a big disappointment. It usually is, but I thought I would see some good, like, good full pieces. All they really have was like puffer jackets and like leather jackets, leather pants. Like, I'm not really, I have all that already. I don't want that. So I went to Primark. Primark was also a bust. Like, I'm just tired of shopping in person. I feel like in person, in store. So yeah, I just ordered some sushi. I'm gonna bust that down when it comes. And yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video.